Hello everybody, welcome back to another Canva AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do basic animations from images and then essentially turn them into animated videos, kind of like these ones. These are just some of the basic examples that come with the starter pack, so to speak. These are the ones that Canva set up, but I'm going to show you how to animate them step by step. So I'm going to close this up and we're going to look at it from the beginning. So there's two ways to access it. There's one through Canva-create. So canva.com/Canva-create, and you can go down here and it says create an animation. Alternatively, you can go to the canva.com homepage, log in, and then also create an animation. If you don't see these here, they may be behind wrappers because they want you to unwrap them. So just keep in mind that they're there. They might be hidden on your first time. Anyways, click on it and then it says here, make your own animation, try it out. Okay, let's keep rolling here, and I'm going to close that one here. And this is the first screen, and they're going to basically give you a default example. Now, when I click play, there's no animation. So what you need to do to make an animation is very, very simple. You just click on the item that you want to animate. In this case, we're going to animate the bee. And then all you got to do is just click and hold it down, and then just slowly move it around. And you'll notice here that I'm going pretty slow, and I'm kind of going in like a circle. Really nasty circle, and then something like that. Okay, let's see what we got. Now, it's pretty janky, I'm not gonna lie. There's no smoothing. It's a very janky animation, but it's kind of on purpose because you'll see here now, once the animation path is done, you can go to the left side and you'll see here the original movement style. But if I want to smooth it out, this is another option. So when I click on that, I'll just hover over it, and then you'll see here that it's got a little bit of a smoother look to it. And it's still not perfect, but it's pretty darn good. And then there's also the steady option as well. Now, one thing I want to show you here is if you want to speed it up, you can go ahead and do that. It defaults set to like a speed of like 0, like the slowest speed. So if anything, if you go faster, like if I put it in the middle, you get a really, really, really fast animation. So it actually doesn't hurt to go very slow on your animation because it's very easy to speed it up, but you can't speed it any lower. You can't make it any slower than that. So go slow on your animation. Now, I've gone ahead and I've selected smooth. Also, you can orient the path. So if you want the bee to do like, like if you were animating and you want like, yeah, maybe not quite like that, but there is orient element to path. So, you know, it kind of follows the direction, including the face and the head, or if it's a plane going up or down, etc., etc. So keep that in mind. That is available, but I don't tend to use it. Okay, now, if you click out and you don't see it anymore, let me show you another few things. One, you can click on custom. You'll notice here that I'm clicked on the bee and I click custom, I get that back again. But what happens if I'm clicked off the bee and I'm clicked on nothing? Well, I can click on animate, but when you do that, you're going to see here page animations, and this is a little confusing because they actually override the current animation that I just made. So if I wanted to have like a very basic animation like this one, like you can just hover over them and try them out. Party's pretty good. Chill is an opacity reveal. For those of you that know your share of animations, a pan and a rise, but they actually overwrite the animation. So keep that in mind. I'm going to click out again. Now I'm going to go ahead and click back on the bee, and then I'm going to click on custom, and I've got my movement and my animation that I've already created for the bee. Okay, now let's go to this one here, and this is another one. If I hit play, you'll see here that all of these are already in movement and they're doing their thing. So that's kind of cool. Let's go ahead and move the playhead back. And now I'm just going to show you, if you click on this and you click on custom, you will see their motion path. So keep that in mind, that you can go ahead and adjust these as you see fit. For example, if I wanted this to be out here, I've gone ahead and moved it. So these are the different ways you can animate it. Once you're done, just go up to the top right side, click on share, and then click on download. You can download all the pages, or you can download, for example, just the bee page. So I would deselect these ones and I would just get page 1, which is that little bee animation, for example, and I would just click on done, and then let's see what we get. It should only take a few seconds, and then it's going to download, and then that's going to be it. So there you go, guys. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, or if you get lost, or if anything doesn't make any sense, just ask me. I will do my best to help you. Thanks for watching.
Clear objectives. You can't be everything to everybody. So understand the customer journey level that you are targeting. Are you targeting people for awareness? Are you targeting people for consideration? Or are you targeting people for conversions? Target a specific one and you will be much better off. Step number 2, build great structures, right? So you need to make sure that you are really fine-tuning your keywords, testing a lot of keywords, and also targeting the right geo-targeted locations, and really setting your ad targeting up for success. Don't just use Google Ads Express and let it figure itself out. It won't work, okay? Be very diligent about setting up your structure. Next, rack up a good high quality score. So you all know that Google scores your ad, and you're more likely to rank higher in your ad positions the higher quality your score is. Okay, so make sure you are constantly achieving that 10 score of 1 to 10, okay? Now, how do you achieve this? Well, you consistently test your structure, change your keywords, change your targeting until you're getting a really good result and it is getting a lot of click-through. That shows Google that your ad is working. Next, start with long tail keywords. Go into the niches. The niches is in the riches. Wait, I said that backwards. The riches is in the niches, okay? So you target long tail keywords. Don't just target baby bottles. Target baby bottles for infants or baby bottles for a 6-month-old or something more long tail where it's very specific. Next, and please do this one, build specific landing pages for your ad campaigns. Don't just spend $100,000 on Google Ads and all go to the same exact landing page. Make sure your landing page has the same images and the same text and the same language as your ads so that it's a natural movement from clicking on an ad to landing on a landing page. Your conversions will go up. Then focus, focus, focus. Do you know what SCAG is? Sounds dirty, but it's not. Single keyword ad groups. Google tells you not to do this. Don't believe them, okay? They just want more of your money. Instead, put a single keyword into an ad group and focus in on that keyword so that everything you're building around it is very focused. Next, let the automation work, okay? Yes, Google does tell you to use multiple keywords in your ad groups, but they also have powerful automation that learns and can tell you what to do and can even change your ads depending on what the results are. This is where smart bidding and responsive search ads come in, right? Smart bidding sort of allows you to set a threshold based on certain metrics and it will play within that bid range. And then responsive search ads sort of switch titles and body, text, and site links based on performance, okay? So you set the parameters and you let Google's algorithm do the rest. And finally, let the extensions fly, okay? So the extensions are little things that you can add onto your Google ad. You can do location extensions, you can do product extensions, you can do structured snippet extensions just to basically build out your ad to be a little bit more visually displayed. You can do extensions for just about anything that's gonna help your business appear better. Even reviews, you can have reviews extensions so that people can see the actual 5-star reviews on your local listing or your product right in the Google ad itself. So use those extensions.